In a small village surrounded by green fields, there lived an old woman named Mariam. People called her the Wisdom Lady because she always gave thoughtful advice. She was not rich, nor did she own a large house, but everyone respected her because of her understanding and kindness. One day, a young man came to her and said, "I work hard every day, but I still feel unhappy. Why?" Mariam smiled and handed him a glass of water. She put a handful of salt into it and asked him to drink. The young man tasted it and quickly spat it out. "It is too salty," he complained. Mariam then took him to a nearby lake and put another handful of salt into the water. "Now drink from the lake," she said. The young man drank and said, "This water tastes fresh." Mariam looked at him gently and said, "The salt represents the troubles of life. The amount of trouble is often the same, but the bitterness depends on the size of your heart and mind. If you become like a small glass, every pain will feel heavy. But if you become like a lake, you can accept difficulties without losing peace." The young man remained silent, deeply moved by her words. From that day onward, he stopped complaining about every small problem. Instead, he learned patience, kindness, and gratitude. Slowly, his life became happier, not because his problems disappeared, but because his way of seeing them changed. The villagers continued visiting Mariam for advice, and she always reminded them, wisdom is not about knowing everything. It is about understanding life with patience, calmness, and a good heart. Long ago, in a peaceful village near the mountains, there lived a wise old lady named Zubaida. She spent her days helping people solve their problems. Some came to her with anger, some with sadness, and others with confusion. No one ever left her house without learning something valuable. One morning, a poor farmer visited her carrying two clay pots. One pot was perfect, but the other had a long crack on its side. The farmer looked upset and said, "Mother Zubaida, this broken pot is useless. Every day, when I carry water from the river, half the water leaks out before I reach home." Zubaida carefully looked at the cracked pot and smiled softly. The next day, she asked the farmer to walk with her to the river. As they walked along the path, she pointed to the side where the cracked pot usually hung. Beautiful flowers of many colors were growing there. The farmer looked surprised. Zubaida said, "Have you noticed these flowers before? The farmer replied, no, I never paid attention. She then explained, the cracked pot may lose water, but it waters the ground every day. Because of its weakness, these flowers bloom and spread beauty across the path. The farmer became silent. Zubaida continued, people are like these pots. Everyone has flaws and weaknesses. Some people speak too little, some too much. Some are quick to anger, while others are too emotional. But even imperfections can bring goodness if used wisely. The farmer looked at the cracked pot differently now. Instead of feeling ashamed, he felt grateful. From that day on, he stopped calling the pot useless. He realized that even broken things can have purpose and value. Years later, whenever villagers felt insecure about their weaknesses, the farmer would tell them the story of the broken pot and the wisdom lady who taught him an unforgettable lesson. Perfection is not what makes life beautiful. Sometimes our cracks allow kindness, growth, and beauty to enter the world. A wise old lady lived at the edge of a village. People often came to her for advice. One day, a little boy asked her, what is the most powerful thing in the world? The lady gave him a small candle and said, walk with me tonight. As darkness covered the village, the boy could barely see the road. The old lady lit the candle, and suddenly the path became clear. The boy smiled and said, this tiny candle removed all the darkness. The wise lady replied, exactly. Darkness may look powerful, but even a small light can defeat it. In life, kindness, hope, and truth are like this candle. No matter how difficult things become, never stop being a light for others. The boy never forgot her words and grew up helping people wherever he could.